Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a video to show you where to download Windows 10. Unfortunately, too many people today still think you have to go to these weird websites to download an image of Windows. Yes, it was true in the past that Microsoft would not release images of Windows, but that has changed many years ago. Now, Windows 10, Windows 11 images or ISOs are available for download on their website, and you can download it free. The Windows is not free, but the download is free, and you can install it and try it. So, Microsoft did update the image for Windows 10. If you go now to the download page, that I will actually share the link in the description below, you will now get the Windows 10 2022 update, as they call them. That's version 22H2. And so you can create the installation media. You can actually download the media creation tool, download the image from there, or just create a USB thumb drive that you can use to install Windows. So it's finally updated to this latest version. Once again, really nothing much in that version to see. And pretty small update, pretty safe to update. So if you need to reinstall Windows, you were waiting for maybe the latest version to install, well, that is what you're getting today with Windows Update. And, of course, you can use Windows Update, like I said, to seek for Windows 10. But if you do need the image and the ISO, it's available here. So now you have multiple ways of installing Windows or downloading and then upgrading Windows if something's wrong with your system. That also means that the images for previous versions of Windows have been actually removed from the website, unfortunately. So that is hope that you kept an older version just in case. But this is such a small update that I doubt it's going to cause any problems to anyone. Really small. Now, if there were update blocks for you for example, 21H2, things like that, there's a good possibility that those update blocks are going to be still there with 22H2, since it's pretty much 21H2 with a very small, enablement package done. So that just keep that in mind if you were thinking of clean install, but you made, maybe there was something. It's still going to be there with 22H2, as it doesn't fix anything. It really just upgrades your version. So check it out. The link is in the description below, and you can download the image for Windows 10 22H2 update, or 2022 update, sorry, or version 22H2 as they call it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.